Okay, now let's discuss the exercise 3.2 from the coordinate geometry. The first question is write the answer of each of the following. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? What is the name of the horizontal and vertical lines? In the introduction video, I have mentioned about the two lines, one horizontal line and one is vertical line. This is horizontal line and this is vertical lines. Now we have to tell the name. What is the name of this horizontal line and the vertical lines drawn to determine the position of any point in the Cartesian plane? That means any point in the graph paper. So what is their name? One is horizontal line, okay. One is vertical line, that is also okay. But what is their name? In the introduction video, I have mentioned that the name of this axis or the lines are called x-axis and y-axis. This horizontal line is called, these are x and x dash, y and y dash. This horizontal line is called x-axis and vertical line y and y dash called y-axis. So the answer is x-axis and y-axis. The horizontal and the vertical lines are called x-axis and y-axis. And the next question is, what is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? The horizontal line and the vertical line, they will form four parts in the graph paper. That means in the Cartesian plane, they will form four parts. These two lines means the horizontal and the vertical lines. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? They will form four parts like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now you have to write down the name of the parts. So we have discussed this one also in our introduction video, that the parts are called, this is called first quadrant, the next one is called second quadrant, this is our third quadrant, and this is our fourth quadrant. That means the name of the parts are called quadrant. So you can write here quadrant. This. Now the next one is number 3. Write the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Name of that point where two lines intersect. You can see here these two lines, that means the vertical and horizontal line, where you have to write down the name of the point where these two lines intersect. Their intersecting point is this one. Here they are meeting, that means their intersecting point is this. What is the name of this point? The name of this point is O and it is called origin, and we denote this with O. That means name of this point is origin. So we'll write here origin. So this is your number 3. So this is number 2, question number 2. See figure 3.14 and write the following. This figure is given in your book, page number 61. You have to study this figure and then we will discuss the question number 1 to 8 of number 2. So by using this figure, we have to write down the answer of the question number 2. So the first question here is the coordinates of B. What is the coordinates of B? That means the point on B. We have to find out the points on B. What are the points? That means coordinates means nothing but coordinates of B. It is given in number 1. Coordinates of B means at this point you have to find out the numbers, value of x and y. Coordinates of B means value of x and y. What are the numbers here? What is the value of x and what is the value of y? You have to find out. So in B you can see here it is 1 is for first number. You have to write the value of x. So what is the value of x? This is x dash, this is the x-axis. So the value of x is here, it is -5. So you will write minus 5 comma. What is the value of y? Then it is going on this way. It is 2. That means value of y is here 2. So coordinates are 5 comma minus 5 comma 2. This is number 1. Then number 2 is you have to find out the coordinates of C. Coordinates of C. What is the coordinates of C? What are the point at C? First number you have to see the x. This is C. Number is 5. So you will write here 5 comma. Then see the y. Here it is also 5, but this is minus 5. So the answer is 5 comma minus 5. This is the coordinates of C. That means at C, what are the value of x and y? Now next number is the point identified by the coordinates minus 3 and minus 5. Minus 3 and minus 5. Now value of x and y is given. You have to write down the name of that point where we have this minus 3 and minus 5. First is minus 3. As it is minus 3, so let's come in that side. 1, 2, 3. This is minus 3. Then minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is minus 5. Minus 3 and minus 5. The point is here E. So the answer will be E. Next question is the point identified by the coordinates 2 minus 4. Now 2 minus 4. Where we have 2 minus 4? This is plus 2. So you have to go this side. This is plus 2. Then minus 4. This is our minus 4. That means the point is here G. So the answer is G. Now the next one is the abscissa of the point D. Abscissa means, I said that abscissa means the value of x. What is the abscissa of the point D? What is our point D? This. In D, what is the value of x? Abscissa means value of x. Value of x is here 6. So the abscissa of point D is 6. Next one is the ordinate of the point is. Ordinate means, I said the ordinate means the value of y. So what is the ordinate of the point is? What is our is? This is is. Ordinate means the value of y. Here the value of y is, this is the y line, y axis. Value of y is minus 3. So it is minus 3. The coordinates of the point L. Now the coordinates means, I said coordinates means value of x and y. Coordinates means the value of x and y. So coordinates means coordinates of L. Coordinates of L. Where is our L? This is our L. This point is our L. Here the coordinates of L means value of x and y. It is x is, we don't have any x, so it is 0. So the coordinates of point L will be 0, 5. That means here x is 0. So it is 0, 5. Y is given. This is 5. X is 0. X will be here. Y will be here. So x is this. Y is this. So it is 0, 5. Now the next one, the coordinates of the point M. At M, what is the coordinates? Means what are the points of what is the value of x and y? What is our M? M is our this one. Okay, this is our M. The coordinates of M are value of x and y. This it is means value of x and y. So the coordinates of M, here the value of x is minus 3 and y is here, y will be equal to 0 because it is on the x axis only. so the y will be 0 and x will be 3 minus 3. So this answer will be minus 3 comma 0. So these are the answer from 1 to 8. Write down the questions and write the answers also.